wait, there's a problem. Where is your costume? Put on your costume! Put on your costume! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Ah, yes. Now it's Halloween. So on Halloween, what do we do on Halloween? We eat pizza?
No. We eat candies.
We eat candies and we say trick or treat. Everybody, trick or treat. Yes. So, let's sing a song, okay? Because it's time. Everybody, it's time.
It's time
to go trick or treating.
Trick or treating.
So, sing it with me. It's time to go trick or treating.
It's time to go trick or treating.
It's time to go trick or treating. It's time to go trick or treating on Halloween night.
On Halloween night.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's time to go trick or treating. Cool. But it's also time to dress up. All right. Dress up.
Dress up.
Dress up. Let's do it with the hat. Okay.
Dress up.
So. It's time to dress up, it's time to dress up, it's time to dress up on Halloween night. On Halloween night. Yes, okay. So, trick or treating, dress up, and now, what do we do?
Eat candy.
We can't eat candy. We don't have candies. Knock, knock. We knock on the door. Knock on the door. So, it's time to knock on the door.
It's time to knock on the door. It's
Sing
time.
it with me 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
It's time to knock on the door. It's time to knock on the door. It's time to knock on the door on Halloween night.
Okay, so, knock on the door and someone opens the door. What do we say? We say, no, hello. We say hello and we say,
Trick or treat.
trick or treat, high five, good job. So it's time to say trick or treat.
It's time to say trick or treat.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to say trick or treat. It's time to say trick or treat. It's time to say trick or treat on Halloween night. Okay, so we said trick or treat, and we'll see. Please, and thank you. So it's time to say please and thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's time to say please and thank you. It's time to say please and thank you. It's time to say please and thank you on Halloween night.
Okay, but now, we said please and thank you. We can say bye-bye and we can say
Happy
Halloween. Halloween, yes, happy Halloween. It's time to say happy Halloween, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's time to say happy Halloween. It's time to say happy Halloween. It's time to say happy Halloween on Halloween night.
Yeah! Good job, guys. We were ready to go trick or treating. So let's go trick or treating.
Yeah.
Let's go.